Um, so, hey. Hey guys. Hey, what's up? Welcome back. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. I am super nervous for this video. Excuse me. I wanted to get into cosplay, and I've been like extremely like hesitant. But I've bought a bunch of stuff for like 2 specific cosplays, and I figure now is the best time to do it. Now is the best time to do it. So, without further ado, I'm gonna literally go, like, I wanted to start a new like series, like Wonder Meg tries something, because like I never step out of my comfort zone. Like streaming has been like way out of my comfort zone, so like, and I've just been feeling like super motivated to do it. So we're literally gonna go from this, I'm gonna put all of this makeup on my face, and I'm gonna put on this outfit behind me and this super long wig that's next to me, and if it turns out cool, then awesome, and if it turns out like crap, I can say I tried. So let's get into it. Super excited. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so like I have my like cosmetic, you guys can't really, my mirror right here. I don't know why I'm so nervous. Let me take my glasses off. So like I said, I literally have no makeup on, so sorry if it grosses any of you out. But I don't know, I've always wanted to do like a makeup video. Like that's how I started watching YouTube videos, was like women and men and everyone in between doing makeup. So I I don't know, this feels really surreal, like I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna put some moisturizer on my face because it's a little dry. So I don't really know what to say while I do my makeup, but I don't know, let's get into it. My lips are a little crusty. Let's let that soak in, and I will start on my eyebrows. So I have this, no, I have no idea how to say this. Focus. Eyebrow pencil, and my eyebrows are like super dark. I literally have like black eyebrows, but my hair is like brownish, reddish, auburn. So I'm gonna use this, and it's like double. It's like, here's the crayon part, and then here's the, oh no, my hands are like slippery. Here's the, like, I'll show you. Most of you probably don't care. Okay, let me grab my mirror, and my mirror is like really like gross. I use it every day. So yeah, I'll probably like zoom through these, so like it's like fast, but it's gonna take me a while, so let's do it. To clean that up. See? There. Whatever, good enough. Okay, now I'm gonna carve them out. And I am super white, so I use the e.l.f. camo concealer in the shade light peach. And I just like open it up. I take some on the back of my hand, like that, and then I take some on my brush, and then I carve them out. Like, the process of doing your makeup is so hilarious to me. Okay, now we're gonna blend it out, and this is my Huda Beauty, beauty blender. Not beauty blender, but like makeup sponge. And looks okay, I guess. Okay, now that I completely effed my eyebrows up. They don't look the same, they never look the same, and they're not supposed to look the same, but they're supposed to look a little similar, I guess, you know? Okay, so next up is going to be my foundation, if I can find it. I use the Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation by Wander Beauty, and in the color Fair, so. And we're gonna go back with the concealer and really just put a dot here, wing it out. Put a dot here, wing it out. In the shade Tan Walnut, and I'm going to like put some depth to my face because I literally have the world's roundest face. Take my Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder, and I'm going to put it under my eyes because I have super creasy eyes. You know what? Bags under my eyes. And I don't really know what kind of makeup this character would wear. It seems like pretty natural, so like I'm not gonna go crazy with like, you know, fake lash. I'm not gonna put fake lashes on. I'm literally just doing my makeup how I always do. Okay, we're gonna put some highlighter on. We are gonna use the Ofra highlighter. It's actually the Nikki Tutorials one, so in Glazed Donut. Let's see, what do I want to do next? Oh, yeah, my eyes. So I have this Lovecraft Beauty palette. I don't really know what else to use. We're continuing because yeah, my camera is making me so fucking mad. It keeps dying and I don't know why. Well, it's not dying, it just like keeps getting too hot, and like that's irritating because like how am I supposed to film videos? half bad. You guessed it, my camera died again. Idea. But yeah, I'll just come back when I finish this. Gives my camera some time to cool the fuck down. Go with this lipstick. It's CoverGirl. Focus. Whatever. CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte in the shade. There ain't no Current Nude. Okay. Is that like even? I don't know. Okay, that's my makeup. How does it look? How do I look? Hopefully I don't look too bad. So next time you see me, I will be wearing not a cropped black t-shirt, and I will be wearing a wig, and I'm not sure how to put this wig on, so like it's gonna be a struggle. So next time you see me, I will be not Meg. So hey, hold on, let me scoot my chair. So yeah, this is crazy. I didn't expect to like look this different. Oh my god. So this is just literally a piece of ribbon. I had this really cute it keeps falling down. I had this really cute oh my god, you guys, what the fuck? I look literally so different. So yeah, I'm Black Canary, so that's cool. This is crazy. Like, okay, so this wig is literally was like $20. I don't know if you can see, but it looks pretty real, right? No, I had a choker that I bought, and it was like it was a bird. It was so cute, and I was gonna wear it, like have it dangle a little bit with this black ribbon, but I can't find it. I guess that's what I get for ordering this stuff such a long time ago. And then this is just a leather jacket that I got. Well, it's pleather, it's not real, so. And then this is just like a black bodysuit that I got. And I'm wearing fishnets, but I don't really feel comfortable showing my entire body like that on camera right now. So, you guys, look at me. What the? This is actually crazy to me. So I'm gonna say the first episode of Wonder Meg Tries is a hit. This is crazy. Like, this is so, I feel so pretty. My god, I feel so pretty. I feel like such a badass too. Like, I'm gonna take pictures with my camera. This wig is literally like, okay, I did a horrible job. Like, I know it's like stuck on, like, I put my hair in a bun. But yeah, I don't, this is crazy. Like, actually, I feel insanely cool right now, and so yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed. This is something that I've wanted to do for a little bit. You think having like long hair, I'd be used to it getting in my face. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it wasn't too boring at the beginning. But yeah, I'll probably leave some pictures at the end here that I've taken with my camera. I'm sorry, I just can't, it's really weird. Like, I look so different. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out all the links I put below, and check that stuff out as well. Thanks guys, bye.